Route 66, the Mother Road, this legendary highway whispers promises of adventure. It beckons travelers to uncover its secrets. From the Pacific's embrace to the Windy City's heart, Route 66 is a journey through America's soul. It's a trip back in time. Join me and let's rediscover America together.
Have you ever felt the lure of the open road, that yearning to break free? Route 66 embodies this spirit. It calls out to those who seek adventure. It whispers to those who crave freedom. Are you ready to answer its call?
Our journey begins beneath the California sun. The iconic Route 66 sign stands tall in Santa Monica. It's a beacon, signaling the start of our grand adventure. We feel a surge of excitement. The Pacific Ocean shimmers, a breathtaking backdrop to our starting line.
The air buzzes with anticipation. We can almost hear the echoes of countless journeys past, each one filled with dreams, laughter, and the thrill of the unknown. We take a deep breath and smile. Our own Route 66 story is about to unfold.
California treats us to a visual feast. The journey begins with the vast, open landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. The golden hues of the desert, contrasted with the rugged mountain ranges, create a mesmerizing backdrop that sets the tone for our adventure. As we drive, the scenery shifts, revealing the diverse beauty of the Golden State. We cruise along the Pacific Coast Highway, one of the most iconic routes in the world. The road hugs the coastline, offering breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean. The sun glistens on the water, creating a sparkling effect that is simply enchanting. Every twist and turn of the highway reveals a new, stunning vista. The ocean breeze whips through our hair, adding a sense of freedom and exhilaration to our journey. The salty air invigorates our senses, making us feel truly alive. As we drive, we can't help but smile, feeling the joy of the open road and the beauty that surrounds us. We marvel at the rugged beauty of the coastline. The cliffs rise majestically from the ocean, their rocky faces battered by the relentless waves. The sound of the crashing surf is both powerful and soothing, a reminder of nature's raw strength and timeless beauty. We take a moment to stop and take it all in, feeling a deep connection to the natural world. The road twists and turns, leading us through charming towns and breathtaking vistas. Each town has its own unique character with quaint shops, cozy cafes, and friendly locals. We take our time, exploring the hidden gems along the way. The scenic vistas are a photographer's dream, with every angle offering a picture-perfect shot.
Our first stop is San Bernardino, a city rich in history and culture. As the sun sets, the cityscape is bathed in a warm, golden light, creating a magical atmosphere. We take a stroll through the downtown area, soaking in the sights and sounds of this vibrant city. We step back in time at the Wigwam Motel. This unique lodging option offers a nostalgic glimpse into the past, with its teepee-shaped rooms and vintage decor. The classic cars parked outside add to the retro charm, making us feel like we've traveled back to a simpler time. Its teepee-shaped rooms whisper tales of a bygone era. Each room is a cozy retreat, filled with character and history. We can't help but imagine the countless travelers who have stayed here over the years, each with their own stories and adventures. Further down the road, we encounter the ghostly silence of Calico Ghost Town. This once thriving mining town is now a haunting reminder of California's gold rush era. The silence is almost palpable, as if the town itself is holding its breath, waiting for the return of its former inhabitants. Its abandoned buildings stand as silent witnesses to California's gold rush history. The weathered wood and crumbling structures tell a story of hope, ambition, and eventual decline. As we explore the town, we can't help but feel a sense of reverence for the pioneers who once called this place home. Their legacy lives on in the remnants of Calico, a testament to the enduring spirit of the American West.
Crossing into Arizona, the landscape transforms. The air feels different, drier, and the horizon stretches endlessly. The vastness of the desert is both intimidating and inviting, a paradox that defines this unique land. We are greeted by the raw beauty of the Mojave Desert. The cacti stand tall, like silent sentinels guarding the secrets of the sands. The desert plants, resilient and hardy, tell a story of survival and adaptation. The sun beats down, creating shimmering mirages on the horizon. These illusions dance and waver, a testament to the desert's mystique. As the sun sets, the sky is painted in hues of orange and red, a daily masterpiece that never fails to awe. We feel the presence of something ancient and powerful. The rock formations, weathered by time, stand as monuments to the Earth's history. Walking among them, one can't help but feel a connection to the past, to the countless generations that have walked this land before us. This land holds secrets whispered on the wind. The dunes shift and change, sculpted by the relentless breeze. Each grain of sand has a story to tell, a fragment of the desert's long and storied past.
We stand in awe at the Grand Canyon's edge. Its immensity defies words. The sheer scale of it is overwhelming, a chasm carved by the relentless force of the Colorado River over millions of years. It's a humbling reminder of nature's power and patience. We feel humbled by its grandeur. Standing on the edge, looking out over the vast expanse, one can't help but feel small and insignificant. Yet, there's also a sense of connection, a realization that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Our journey continues through painted deserts and petrified forests. The colors of the painted desert are surreal, a palette of reds, oranges, and purples that seem almost otherworldly. The petrified forest, with its ancient fossilized trees, is a window into a prehistoric world. Each turn reveals a new wonder. The road winds through the landscape, each bend offering a new perspective, a new vista. The rock formations, sculpted by wind and water, are like natural sculptures, each one unique and beautiful. At night, we gaze up at the star-studded sky. The desert, so harsh and unforgiving by day, becomes a place of tranquility and wonder by night. The Milky Way stretches across the sky, a river of stars that reminds us of the vastness of the universe. It's a sight we'll never forget. The stars, so bright and clear in the desert sky, seem almost close enough to touch. It's a moment of pure magic, a reminder of the beauty and mystery of the world we live in. New Mexico welcomes us with its unique charm.
We feel like we've stepped into an old Western movie.
Adobe buildings bake under the desert sun.
We can almost hear the echoes of cowboys and outlaws in the wind.
We explore ancient ruins and immerse ourselves in Native American culture.
We savor the flavors of traditional cuisine, our taste buds dancing with delight.
The air is thick with history and mystery.
Every corner we turn holds a story waiting to be told.
Section 6. Texas and Oklahoma wide open spaces. Texas greets us with its wide open spaces. We feel a sense of boundless freedom as we drive for miles, the road stretching endlessly before us.
We encounter friendly locals, their hospitality as warm as the Texas sun.
Oklahoma surprises us with its rolling hills and lush greenery. We learn about the Dust Bowl and the resilience of the human spirit. We visit museums and memorials, paying homage to those who came before us. Their stories are woven into the fabric of this land. Section 7. Missouri and Illinois, approaching the journey's end. As we enter Missouri, the landscape begins to change. Rolling hills give way to dense forests. We feel a sense of anticipation building as we draw closer to our final destination. The air grows cooler, hinting at the changing seasons.
Illinois welcomes us with open arms. We drive through charming towns and bustling cities. Each one has its own unique character and charm. The excitement builds with every mile as we approach the end of our epic adventure.
Section 8. Chicago, the Windy City awaits. Our journey has brought us to the heart of the Midwest, to a city that stands as a beacon of culture, history, and architectural marvels. Chicago, often referred to as the Windy City, is a place where the past and the present blend seamlessly. Finally, we arrive in Chicago, the Windy City. As we step into this bustling metropolis, we are greeted by the sight of towering skyscrapers and the hum of city life. The energy here is palpable, and it feels like the city itself is alive, welcoming us with open arms. The city's skyline rises before us, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Each building tells a story, from the historic Willis Tower to the modernist Aqua Tower. The architecture here is not just about height, it's about the artistry and vision that went into creating these urban giants. We feel a sense of accomplishment wash over us as we reach the end of our Route 66 journey. This moment is a culmination of miles traveled, experiences gathered, and memories made. The joy on the faces of fellow travelers and locals alike is infectious, reminding us of the shared human experience.
We spend our final days exploring Chicago's vibrant streets. Each neighborhood has its own unique charm, from the historic buildings of the Loop to the artistic vibes of Wicker Park. The streets are alive with the sounds of street performers, the aroma of diverse cuisines, and the sight of people from all walks of life. We indulge in deep dish pizza, a Chicago staple. The rich, cheesy goodness of this iconic dish is something that must be experienced firsthand. Each bite is a reminder of the city's culinary prowess and its ability to create comfort food that warms the soul. And catch a blues show. The music scene in Chicago is legendary, and the blues clubs here are the heartbeat of the city. The soulful melodies and the raw emotion of the performances transport us to a different time, making us feel connected to the roots of American music. The city pulsates with energy, and we soak it all in, from the bustling nightlife to the serene parks. Chicago offers a perfect blend of excitement and relaxation. The laughter of people, the rhythm of the city, and the beauty of the urban landscape create an unforgettable atmosphere. We leave Route 66 behind, but the memories we made will stay with us forever. This journey has been more than just a road trip. It's been a voyage of discovery, a celebration of the American spirit, and a testament to the enduring allure of the open road. As we bid farewell to the Mother Road, we carry with us the stories, the experiences, and the indelible mark it has left on our hearts.
Section 9, until next time, Route 66. Our Route 66 adventure has come to an end, but the spirit of the road lingers. We've experienced the heart of America, its beauty and its resilience. We've met incredible people and created memories that will last a lifetime.
What about you? What are your travel dreams? Who would be your ideal road trip companion? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tales and inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.